the innocent aren't convicted the way that he was, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker.
Brendan Horan.
Ka tangi te titi, ka tangi te kaka, ka tangi hoki aho te hei Māori ora. E nā iwi, e nā reo, e nā mana, e nā mata waka, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. E nā rauranga tira mā, ka mehi aki I runga I te karanga o te rā. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā no tātou katoa. Wairea, wairea, huakina, huakina te tātou. Mai te pō ki te ao marama. Sweep away and clear the pathway, so the door from bleakness to the world of light is opened. Te hei Māori ora. Sir, Mokomoko had tried to assist Faulkner, but instead was framed as a murderer. His lands confiscated, people persecuted, and mana and character disgraced. He was hung, and in the 1890s, his remains reinterred at Mount Eden prison, buried with murderers and felons, and no doubt along with innocent victims as well. Sir, the 146-year journey that it has taken to be here today has been heartbreaking and arduous for his descendants, and those words, heartbreaking and arduous, really are inadequate to truly describe the trials and tribulations of this whānau. How can you possibly describe the profoundness, the spirituality, the darkness and the light of the experience of searching for Mokomoko's remains, finding them buried standing up in Mount Eden prison, and the manner of finding was spiritual and unique, and that profound experience and the memories that are forever etched on those people who were there for the resurrection of those remains. Sir, one of the most recent kaumātua who was instrumental in us being here today was Manny Mokomoko. And sadly, not so long ago, just a little while earlier this year, Manny Mokomoko passed away. A day from another treasured kaumātua, Martin Biddle. And New Zealand First extends our condolences for the heartfelt loss of these two splendid men. My wife is a puke from Kutarere, and my whānau knew Manny. It's fair to say that Manny's goal was the complete restoration of character, mana and reputation. That's what Manny wanted, and how proud he would be to be here today. And we all wish that he was here today. We acknowledge the family's loss and wish you plain sailing in the pathways that open up through the restoration of Mokomoko's mana and character in the years ahead. Sir, New Zealand First supports this bill, and we will work through the closing stages for a journey as expeditious as possible to the satisfaction of Mokomoko's proud descendants. Kia ora.
The question is that the motion be agreed to. Those of that opinion will say aye. Aye. To the contrary, no. The ayes have it.
Mokomoko, Restoration of Character, Mana and Reputation Bill, first reading.
The question is that the Mokomoko Restoration of Character, Mana and Reputation Bill be considered by the Maori Affairs Committee. Those of that opinion will say aye. Aye. The contrary, no. The ayes have it. Permission has been granted for a for the whānau in the gallery to do a waiata, and now is the time if they wish to take that opportunity. Kia ora. Call on Government Orders of the Day, numbers 8 and 9.
Ngāti Manuhiri.